Hi everybody, it's your guy here, the unknown, and today I want us to look at something very exciting. Okay, I have good news for every trader, and this is really good news for each and every one of you. Okay, so stay and watch this video. Okay, first of all, guys, my FF is back, and this is good news not only to my forex fund but to the entire trading community. Okay, this gives assurance that prop firms might be here to stay a little longer. Okay, because personally I don't think they will be here forever. Okay, but this is a little bit of assurance that they will be here for a little bit longer. Okay, and more opportunities are here. Okay, so without any further ado, let me show you something very important. First of all, as you can see, my forex fund has generated 310 million from people buying challenges, and it has paid out 150 million dollars. Okay, so this shows you that okay, prop firms, yes indeed, they make money through failed challenges. So you must know what you're doing, and you must be really good at what you are doing, okay, when you are facing problems. Okay, and here's something very important. I really want to do live trading with all of you, but my biggest fear is that people will stop chasing learning. People will stop learning because they won't see the significance of learning. They will just go and copy trades, and that is a recipe for a disaster. You won't last in the game if that's what you are doing. Yes, learning will involve a lot of failures. Learning will involve a lot of drawdowns, a lot of pain, a lot of sad moments, and all sort of things, but that's what makes good traders. Okay, you have to learn, you have to fail, you have to test your strategy until you become good. Okay, so there is roughly a coding course which is called ALX Africa, and for everybody who signs up for them, it's free for anybody who wants to learn coding. But this is what they tell you: you must at least give 8 hours each day to learning, and they are not joking with that. Okay, if you think you're gonna give less than 8 hours each and every day, then you're not gonna finish that coding course. Okay, so if they say 8 hours per day, think about how much time you have to put into this craft as a trader. Already trading is one of the hardest industry. Okay, it has been proven that doctors fail, pilots fails, lawyers fails, and the most smartest people in the world fail in trading. Even Isaac Newton failed in trading. Okay, yes, he was investing and he lost a lot. Okay, even though he was one of the smartest people in the world. So this shows you that already this is the hardest industry in the world. Okay, and coding is also hard, but if they tell you that okay, you must spend 8 hours, okay, just to learn coding each and every day, imagine how much time you'll have to put into this craft. Personally, I put more than 4 hours each day just to backtest. Okay, and I also allocate most of my time to reading books, to listening to podcasts, and to learning from others. Okay, so you can see the first thing is you have to put in the work, guys. I won't lie about that. Okay, you have to put in the work. It's not about you thinking that okay, this setup is easy, then you can. No, you have to put in the work. Go and backtest, put in the work. Okay, so that's something I wanna tell you. And here's the reason why. Okay, the reason why I say it's important to put in the works is because you must become good. Okay, and it's gonna obviously take time to become good. You know that this is not an industry where you just become great overnight. No, it takes time, it takes time, it takes time. Okay, just like it will take a lot of time for a doctor to become a qualified professional. Okay, it will also take time for you to become good in this industry. Unfortunately, when it's an industry or something that you can do all by yourself, maybe from your home, then people think it's easy and they don't see the importance of really investing into the industry. They don't see the importance of working hard. They don't even see the importance of investing enough time. Okay, people think they can just backtest 1 hour for a day and that is enough. That's not enough. Okay, that's not enough. Okay, I put in 4 hours each and every day just to backtesting. Okay, so you can see how much work I put into this craft. Okay, And guys, I already shared with you in my previous video that this is one of my favorite company, the €5, and I am negotiating a discount. and hopefully soon that deal will be finalized. So I have a link in my description if you want to sign up. Of course, yes, it's an affiliated link. Okay, that's why I'm actually able to negotiate a discount for you. So it will give you a discount already on a platform that's already cheap, because I showed you that this is one of the cheapest and most reliable industries in the prop firm space. Okay, so here's something exciting, guys. When I say you have to be good, you have to put in the work. I'm not just joking, guys. There is more opportunities in trading, and things are just getting more and more and more and more better. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at this. The $5,000 account is roughly $39. Okay, and once my deal is complete, that means you're gonna get it even way more cheaper. Okay, so it's already $39. Okay, so you decide, are you gonna deposit $39 into your trading account, then go through all the emotions and everything? Okay, or are you just gonna deposit $39 into a prop firm, get yes, of course this is simulated trading, it's not on the real market, but one thing I love about €5 is the fact that, okay, look at this. When you actually make 10% of this account, okay, when you make 10% of this account, okay, then you actually get more funds to that account. So they literally give you more funds to manage. Okay, imagine how good this is. You don't pay any extra amount, they give you an extra amount to manage. Of course, this is after you've passed the two-step verification, what. Okay, so they give you roughly it's $2,500 more to manage, and when you make 10% of this amount, they give you another $2,500 to manage. Okay, and then as you make 10% again, they add to your existing amount. Okay, they add to your existing amount. Do you know what this means? This means you can grow easy and quicker. Okay, already this account costs $39. Okay, which is so cheap. Even if you want to practice, you will find it very easy to practice with something where already you have large amounts of capital, and again you actually don't have that emotional attachment, because honestly, I'll be honest with you, I did this when I was starting. I used to deposit very small amounts. Okay, and whenever a trade is going against you, you're gonna feel so scared and closed, because you can't afford to lose the small amount you have deposited. So if you have this already, you have $500 to start with. Okay, you can go and watch my previous video where I shared with you how to actually get the best out of prop firms. Okay, and as you see, when you make 10% of this, they are actually gonna give you another amount to manage, so you can upscale all the way to this amount. See how crazy it is. And let me tell you something, the moment you reach this amount, it's gonna take time, of course. The moment you reach this account, okay, 350,000, here's some good news. You're gonna get a $4,000 monthly salary. Okay, and 100% profit split. Okay, just imagine how perfect this is. You see, the profit split increases with the amount you get. This is why I always say you have to be best. You have to invest into the craft. You have to invest more time into learning. Okay, so you see, by the time you have a monthly salary of $4,000, this is a lot. Okay, and as time goes, this is what you get. The salary goes up to a point where it grows to $10,000 per month, provided you give them the same amount of consistency. So you see, you can start with a very small account size. This one costs $39. South African rand is roughly 720. Okay, to get this amount. And you see, you can grow all the way to this point without adding anything to your account. You see how crazy this is. This is so crazy, guys. This is so crazy. You can upscale up to this point. Okay, up to this point. That's why I say this one is my favorite, and I'm working all the way till I get here. Okay, I am gonna get here. Okay, because even if, okay, you have to pay for this account size, it's much easier. Already you have been generating profit, so it's easy to get this one. Besides, it's already cheap. Okay, and then you see you can upscale all the way to managing $500,000 and getting a 10,000 per month salary. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. And I believe, for one to get to this point, they might actually give real accounts so that they also generate profit, because obviously they want you to be best. Okay, and you can't reach this point if you're not managing your risk very well, or if you are not really good in trading. Okay, so obviously they might actually reinvest or put your trades on the real market so that they benefit from you, so they can actually copy your trades and actually benefit from you, because they know that, okay, if you are that good, you're not gonna risk losing a stable monthly salary. Okay, you're gonna actually put in the work, and when you get a monthly salary, now there is no more pressure. Okay, you can just wait for your setup and take only the best setups. Okay, so as you can see, there are very, very good opportunities. And here's the thing, at this stage traders will get a personalized contract. So imagine now you will be having a contract. Okay, this is how you build your goals. Okay, you can start right here, right now. Actually, in my description I have a playbook with one setup. Okay, for those who are actually struggling with setups or struggling to put everything together, I have made a playbook that will actually help you, because it has only one setup. And if you look for that setup and wait until it has fully presented, you will get the best trades, because that's my favorite setup that I take each and every day. Okay, so guys, it's in my description. Okay, and yeah, you can get to this point. Okay, I am working to get to this point, and obviously by next year I will be here. Okay, because of the amount of work I put in and the discipline I put into this craft. Okay, so guys, I wish you the best, but this is good news for everybody. Things are getting more and more and more easier, but you have to be willing to put in the work. Okay, not to be looking for someone. I have heard many people telling me about live trades. Yes, it is my wish. However, that's gonna remove the learning ability from all of you, because now people are just gonna copy. Because already what I've seen is that, okay, people don't wait for the setups to fully present. Okay, but I believe with time everybody will become better with that. Okay, so it's about putting in the work and understanding the psychology and understanding what is happening. Okay, so that you get the best results. Okay, and it's gonna take time. Honestly, I won't lie, it's nothing that will happen overnight. It's a huge process. I'm also still growing every day on this, and of course I know that you are not gonna end where you started. And obviously, yes, that's why I put in the work each and every day. The learning never ends in this industry. Okay, so as you can see, there are very good opportunities everywhere. Okay, there are good opportunities everywhere. Okay, so guys, I hope this information will help you, just to show that, okay, this industry is getting a little more interesting. So this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. I did explain how you can actually get the best out of prop firms, and here's the video right here. You can click it and watch it if you haven't already. Okay, I really appreciate you and all the best, and I wish all of you a beautiful day. We don't have that much news today, so I believe it's gonna be a very good day. Okay, even though yesterday we had some explosive news, and we are almost near our Christmas. There might be low volatility, as already you know, most traders will be going to vacation. Some will actually be taking time off to spend with families. So yeah, there might be some less volatility in the market. That's normal. Okay, so I wish you a very best trading day. Thank you.